Hello and welcome. I'm here today with Carlo, who started Solbio. Carlo, what is Solbio?
Hi Alan, welcome to the exhibition Caravan Salon in Düsseldorf. Solbio is the first natural toilet fluid for chemical toilets. We don't like to hear the word chemical toilet, but it's as it is. It calls a chemical toilet. We call it a mobile toilet, and now it can be an organic toilet. We use only natural ingredients like essential oils, eucalyptus, mint and pine tree oil. We use natural soap, citric acid, and the main important is our plant concentrate, which stimulates the microorganism in the toilet. And we can do the same in the grey water tank to avoid smell from the grey water tank. So because of all the ingredients, you can also clean the toilet with it. So the people on the road with the campers or with the motorhomes and caravans, they only need one product for all the sanitary ware.
So how do the plant products break down the waste in the toilet?
Basically it's the combination of all the ingredients we use. The microorganisms already in the toilet, they are stimulated by our toilet fluid, and in such a way that they will start composting the waste, also normal toilet paper. So it's working like in nature. The only problem is in toilets, it is dark, there is no oxygen available, so we have found a way to boost the microorganism inside at this short period of time. In the toilet, the waste only remains 1, 2, 3, 4 days, and then it's emptied. In that time, we started to compost the waste already.
Yeah. And so how did you start doing this? What gave you the idea?
Well, basically, my colleague in Holland, he ran some tests on water purification installations, and he noticed that he was able to kill the smell from the water purification stations. And we are not out of the camping business, but we noticed that everybody's using chemicals in their toilets. So we started experimenting in the beginning, and he found a way to optimize the product, and we added some additional ingredients to make it more comfortable for everyday life. So that's how we started or invented the new generation of chemical toilet fluids.
So how long have you been doing it?
Well, we started 2013. Was not an easy start. We had to fine-tune the product, and then slowly we got into the market. We first gave away a lot of free samples for people testing before we entered into the market. In 2018, we formed the company Solbio, and then we took off worldwide for promoting the product.
And where is it distributed to? Where can one buy it?
Well, in the meantime, everywhere, all specialized shops. You can find it in internet, you can find it Amazon. Also in the UK you can find it. We have some distributors. All shops that are specialized in caravan supplies, you can find it. No way, no problem.
So, very good. Thank you.
Okay, Alan. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Kannst du halt, der Vorteil bei unserer Tüte ist,